Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydroform here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to back up your worlds in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now it's really simple, and all you have to do, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and save and quit the world, alright? And so the world name is like and subscribe. Go ahead and do that quickly. And now what you need to do is firstly head into the Play Store, and I'm going to catch you guys all there. And now that we are in the Play Store, what you need to do is go ahead and search for File Manager, and it has to be File Manager by Xiaomi, alright? And then what you need to do is go ahead and open it up. Once you go ahead and open it up, just go ahead and click on allow access to storage and all of that stuff. And now what you need to do is head into this folder icon, alright? And remember, if you have an SD card in which you have stored all your games, go ahead and select that. For me, it's my internal storage itself, so I'm not going to do anything. And basically what you need to do is go ahead and scroll down and find games folder. And then once you do that, you'll see com.mojang. Now, as you guys can see, just go ahead and click on that. And then over here, so there will be multiple things. What you need to do is select Minecraft Worlds folder. Go ahead and click on that. Now, as you guys can see, so this is the only world that I have. Now, I'm going to show you, yeah, so look at that. So world icon, and this is the world that you want to replace, or whichever world that you want to backup. I mean, you're going to have to select that. And basically what you need to do is go ahead and select the world in Minecraft Worlds, all right? And then go ahead and check the world icon if it's the same as you left it. And yeah, so this is the world that we're going to back up. Just to keep this video simple, I have deleted all of my previous worlds. And now what you need to do is go ahead and select this, all right? Just go ahead and hold on it, and then it's going to get selected. And then what you need to do is click on more over here. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on copy. Now, once you click on copy, remember, if your games are stored in an SD card, go ahead and click that. For me, it's my internal storage, so I clicked on that. And now what I'm going to do is scroll all the way down till you see games. And now, as you guys can see, so just go ahead and paste it over here. All right, so now that this is pasted over here, what you need to do is go ahead and open Minecraft once again. And now that we're back in Minecraft, basically what you need to do is go ahead, click on this edit button, and then what you need to do is go ahead and delete your world. Now I know what you may be thinking, why would you want to delete your world? And so this is the reason I'm showing you guys how to back up your worlds in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Basically, if your world gets deleted by mistake, or you just decide to get into the beta. So if you're in the beta, I mean, if you want to sign up for the beta, then you'll have to uninstall Minecraft and reinstall it, as you know, and then you're going to lose all of your worlds and the hard work. So before you enter the beta, you need to go ahead and do this. And also, it's just do this as a good practice. So just in case you delete your world by mistake, or Minecraft gets deleted from your device by mistake, your worlds will be safe. And now what you need to do is go ahead and click on delete world. Again, that's your choice. Anyway, so now your file storage location has to be set to external and not application. Remember that. And now we're going to head back into the file manager's application, and I'm going to be right back. And now that we're back in File Manager, you just have to follow the same process again. What you need to do is go ahead and head into your games folder. All right, head into your games folder. Now, as you guys can see, so I've copied the world 2 here. And now what I'm going to do is tap on it and then click on move. And now once I click on move, again, I need to locate to the games folder. And then over here, go ahead and head into com.mojang. And then over here, place it in Minecraft Worlds. Now, as you guys can see, so the previous file was deleted since I deleted it from Minecraft itself. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and place this over here. Now, as you guys can see, so this is the exact same world that we had copied. And yeah, guys, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up Minecraft once again. Alright guys, now that we're back in Minecraft, I'm just gonna hit on play. Now, as you guys can see, so the world is back. And yeah guys, so this is basically how you back up your world. And in case you want to join the beta, or you have deleted Minecraft from your device by mistake, do not worry, this is how you can back up your worlds and keep them safe. So in case anything wrong ever happens, this is what you can get the worlds back easily. And yeah guys, with that we have come to a conclusion in this video. So if you guys did find this video useful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also share this video with other people that you may think might find this video useful. And I'll see you in the next one now. Goodbye.